Hello, first grade. It's math time. Let's see what today's lesson is going to be. We see more scales. You guys have been doing such cool things with scales. I got to see some of your videos. You guys were even doing real scales at your house. That is so neat. Let's take a look at our paper for today. It says, weight, heavier or lighter? Do you see GH, GH? It means long I, GH. GH, it means long I. So it's weight, heavier, or lighter. No, it's not lighter. Oh, lighter. The GH is silent. I got you. Weight, heavier or lighter. Take a look at this. This scale is completely flat. Why? Why isn't one guy down on the ground and one guy up in the air like usual? Oh, I think I know what's happening here. Read the black. It says key. Look at the little circle. It says key. Let's read what it says. One large block is as heavy as two small blocks. So here's the large block, and he weighs the same. Have you ever gotten on a seesaw and you and a buddy weigh the same? And it's like totally flat? If the seesaw ever stays totally flat, it might mean you guys weigh the same amount. Let's read what our directions say. Put an X on the long A marker scale. That is not correct. Oh no, there's an imposter. How dare the imposter. Let's take a look at these scales. Then it says use the key. All right, well, let's take a look at the key. One big blue block is the same as two small red blocks. Okay. Is this guy heavier than one red? Yeah, that's right, isn't it, guys? Let's put cha-ching. Very good. Let's put a little check mark on that scale. Everybody can put a check mark just like me. Okay, let's go to this one. This has two. Sometimes I like to do this because if you cut this guy in half, that's like the two red. So would two, basically 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be like 4 reds are heavier than 2. Yeah, I'm gonna give this guy a smiley face. You could put a little smiley face man on your scale. All right, let's go to this scale. Oh, this one has the red being heavier, doesn't it? So let's see. One blue, one large block is as heavy as 2 small. So this guy is worth 2 of these. Let's cross them out together. Ready? 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Yeah, that makes sense because this guy has 1 extra red. So of course this group is heavier. It's like 1 blue and a half of a blue. So for sure this group is heavier. I'm gonna give this one a check mark. Cha-ching. Makes me think that this guy might be the imposter, but I'm getting confused. There's like 3 of these, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me go look at my key. Let me just refresh my memory. 1 large block is as heavy as 2 tiny blocks. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Will you do it with me? Let's do this. X, X, cha, cha, cha. Because 2 reds equal a blue, right? Let me check. Yeah, 2 reds equal a blue. So I'm gonna try to make sense of this, and let's do these 2 blocks. Dun, dun, cha, cha, cha. Okay, so 2 red, a blue. 2 red, a blue. Cha. I can't cross 2 red out. There's only 1 red here left over and an entire blue left over. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? These are the same, These 2 blues go to these 4 reds, but this guy right here weighs less than this guy. Do you understand that? This one should be heavier, shouldn't it? Because it's got a whole extra blue brick. And this one only has a small red block left over. So do you guys think that this one is the imposter? I'm gonna give angry eyebrows and a imposter face. Hey, this scale is the imposter. He does not measure up, get it? He doesn't measure up at all. He doesn't make any sense. He only has 1 extra red block and a whole extra blue. They are not equal. Not at all. Naughty, 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 Mr. Imposter. Let's read these directions. Draw the small blocks needed to balance the scale. Use the key. Complete the sentence. This is up to you, but I think I want to use the same colors as the key. Do you want to do that with me? Do you want to grab a red and do that with me? Let's do it. 1 blue equals 2 red, correct? Well, let's do it. What does this block equal down at the bottom? 2 little red boxes. Let's make 2 little red boxes. And then 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. I'm gonna X that guy out. McKinley, you can come run up here and look at mine. You can come up here and see if it matches yours. But are we done? No, we have another brick or a block, whatever they're calling it. We've got 1 more blue. What is a blue worth again? 1 large block is as heavy as 2 reds. So I've got to do another 2 reds. Okay. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Now is it equal? I think so. I made sure that I made 2 blocks. 2 more. Do you know why I keep Xing out these blue? If you start getting a lot of blue and you have to start coloring a lot of red, you could get super duper lost and confused and be like, wait a second, did I draw too many or not enough? This is a nice organized way to do it. I like keeping it organized. Let's read this sentence. 2 large blocks are as heavy as blank small blocks. Let's take a look at our scale. 2 large blue are as heavy as 1, 2, these 2 right here equal this guy, and these 2 right here equal that guy, don't they? So 2 large blocks are as heavy as, yes, 4 small blocks. The best thing you can do is keep it organized and follow along. All right, let's flippity flop to the backily bop. Wait a second, they changed the key. Did you notice that? Hey, on the other side, it was like a blue block and it wasn't that big. But this blue block on the back is way bigger, isn't it? So on this key, 1 blue block equals 1, 2, 3. The reason this is called the key is it unlocks all the answers. Unlock, lock, 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 all the answers, sirs. Do you like echoes? That's an echo because it's importante. I'm going to put an arrow here. I don't want to forget the key. The key helps me unlock the scales. Okay, help me read the directions. Draw 2 or 4. I'm going to circle that. That seems pretty important. So I can only draw 2 or 4 small boxes on the scale. Use the key. Let's see here. We've got 1 of these, which is down low. I need to make this be correct by either drawing 2 red boxes, or my other choice said 4 red boxes. Now you don't have to copy me, but you can if you want to. Guys, I need some help here. What am I gonna do? If you're at home, help me think.
I can help you.
Okay, Mick, what should I do? Mick is doing math with me. Sometimes kids love math, sometimes math is a little hard.
I love math.
You love it? Okay, so Mick, what should I do if I need this scale to be correct?
You need to draw something over here.
I know, but which one? 2 or 4? What would make the scale make sense?
2.
Why?
Because if you do 4, they would both be equal. And the thing
4
doesn't show that it's equal.
Yes, it doesn't show that it's equal, you're right. But if I drew 4 up here, it would be false. 4 would be down on the ground, wouldn't it? Because this guy's only worth 3. So you're right, we got to draw the answer 2 on this scale. Because the 2 reds are definitely lighter. Everybody get it? Let's do this one now. This one, the blue has to be up in the air and it has to be lighter. Well, Mick, I only have one choice left. What's my only choice? 4.
4.
Is that going to be correct? Are 4 boxes, 4 reds heavier than 1 big blue? Yeah, because 1 big blue weighs 3. So 4 would definitely be 1 box heavier than the blue, wouldn't
But
it?
if you put all these together, it would be equal.
No, it wouldn't, because look, it takes 3 of them. If you put these 3 together, 3 of these are in 1 blue. You know what might make it easy is if we did this. I'm going to put blue like this. It takes 3 reds to make a blue. 4 is heavier than a blue, isn't it? Okay, let's go down here to Cecilia. It's review time. Let's see what it says. Draw circles to picture the story. Complete the sentences. Okay, let's read it together. Claire is making treats for an art show. She needs 4 cups of flour for cookies and 3 cups of flour for there's Marguerite, cake. How many cups of flour does Claire need altogether? Now, usually when it says altogether, that means what? Adding or subtracting if it says altogether? Adding or subtracting if it says altogether?
Adding.
Yes, it means adding. So let's see. She's making treats. She needs 4 cups for cookies. So she's going to need 4. And she needs 3 cups of flour for the cake. How many does she need altogether? Now, to join the sets, we do plus. To see what they are equal, or equal can mean same as. 4 plus 3, but wait, you didn't follow a direction. You did not draw pictures. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's draw cups of flour. I'll show you how I like to draw cups. I just do boxes and then put a handle on them. Don't laugh at my pictures. I am a glorious artiste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Oh my word, does that look gorgeous. 4 cups of flour plus
I
3
figured
more.
it out.
Oh, well, nobody likes a smarty pants. Now just wait. Let's count them all up, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I already drew it.
Makuku. That is working ahead. All right, let's read our sentence, shall we? Claire needs how many? 7 cups of flour altogether. She is right. You can draw dots if you don't want to draw cups. I guess that's okay. All right, let's read our next one together, shall we? Sasha has 7 fish in her fish tank. Oh, I like drawing fish like this, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Let's read this part. Rosa has 4 fish in her fish tank. Now, we don't know if we're adding or subtracting yet, but let's do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you need to push pause, that's okay. You can. You can push pause on your video.
How do you do this?
Well, you know what? Let's pretend that you're at home and you're frustrated. Just draw dots. Dots are just as good, but make sure they're organized dots, not insane dots. They need to be 7 dots in a row and 4 dots in a row. Then it says, how many more fish does Sasha have than Rosa? How many more blank than blank?
I'm a smarty pants.
Ding! How many more blank than blank? Ding! Now I'm holding this camera. I hope you're at home doing our how many more blank than blank. And you know when we say ding, you hold your hand straight and flat like subtraction. So, we know it's minus. Now you might say, Miss Parnell, I should have just drawn 7 and crossed out 4. Sure, but you could also do this. You can also compare. You could do 1-to-1 matching. Matchy match, glub glub glub. You could say that with me like a fish. Matchy match, glub glub glub. Matchy match, glub glub glub. Matchy match, glub glub glub. No matchy match. Wah, wah, wah. How many do not have a match? 1, 2, 3. Oh no. So 7 minus 4 is the same as 3. Sasha has 7, Rosa has 4. How many more fish does Sasha have than Rosa? Sasha has 3 more fish than Rosa. I didn't have much luck with fish either when I had them. So maybe Rosa is like me. Maybe hers pass on when she brings them home. Anyway, I enjoyed doing this paper with you. Let's do our homework together and then you're on vacation. I'll see you in the next video.